Good morning, fam. It's time to give your back and shoulders the reset they deserve. Whether you're waking up from a night of rest or shaking off stiffness from a long day, this 5-minute routine is designed to leave you feeling lighter, looser, and more energized. No equipment is needed, just you, your mat, and your commitment to showing up. This flow can be done anywhere, your living room, bedroom, or even outside if you're chasing the sunrise. Today, we'll focus on releasing tension in your wrists, opening up your spine, and resetting your shoulders. By the end of this, I promise you'll feel taller, more mobile, and ready to conquer your day. Most people would probably hit snooze, but not you. You're here doing the work, and that's something to celebrate. Let's dive into this energizing flow together. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by giving love to an often overlooked area, your wrists. They carry the weight of your day, from typing to lifting. So this stretch is key to releasing tension. Kneel on your mat. Extend your arms in front of you. Press into the mat with your palms facing down. Then reverse and press into the mat with your palms facing up. Keep alternating for 1 minute. Go gentle with this. This stretch releases tension in your forearms and wrists, especially if you spend hours at a desk or holding your phone. By the end of this, I promise you'll feel lighter and more flexible in your hands and arms. If it feels too intense, reduce the pressure. Advanced, hold each stretch for a few extra seconds. Now that your wrists feel free, let's wake up the spine. It's time to twist out the tightness in your lower back. This move feels like wringing out a towel, a total reset for your spine. Sit tall on the mat and cross your legs. Place your right hand behind you and your left elbow on the outside of your right knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine and exhale to twist deeper. Keep alternating. This stretch improves spinal mobility and promotes better posture, leaving you feeling taller and more aligned. For beginners, only twist halfway. Advanced, add a slide forward fold into the twist for a deeper stretch. With your spine feeling open, let's transition into a dynamic flow for your back and chest. We're combining grounding and heart opening in one dynamic flow. It's like giving your body a big rejuvenating hug. Start in child's pose, knees wide, arms extended forward, forehead resting on the mat. Inhale as you flow forward into cobra stretch. Hips lower, chest lifts, shoulders pull back. Exhale as you return to child's pose. Repeat this dynamic flow for 1 minute, moving with your breath. The stretch wakes up the spine and opens the chest, bringing blood flow to the back and shoulders. By the end, you'll feel light and centered. For beginners, keep your cobra low. Advanced, press into a deeper cobra for a bigger stretch. Next, let's build strength and flexibility in your entire back chain. This pose is a full body energizer, stretching your legs, shoulders, and spine in one go. Think of it as your body's reset button. Start in a tabletop position, lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your fingers spread wide, heels pressing toward the floor. It's okay if they don't touch. Relax your head between your arms and take deep breaths, feeling the stretch through your calves, hamstrings, and shoulders. The stretch lengthens your spine, strengthens the shoulders, and energizes the entire body, leaving you feeling refreshed. For beginners, keep a slight bend in the knees. Advanced, walk your feet closer to your hands for a deeper stretch. Now that your body feels lengthened, let's finish with the chest and shoulder opener. Let's open your heart and boost energy with this final stretch. Imagine releasing all the tension built up from slouching or sitting. Kneel on the mat with your hands clasped behind your back. Inhale to lift your chest and exhale as you gently pull your clasped hands back and down. Hold this position, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch in your chest and shoulders. The stretch improves posture, reduces shoulder tightness, and leaves you feeling open and energized. Can't clasp your hands? Hold a towel between them. Advanced, add a slight back bend and open your chest further. If you sit at a desk all day and want to boost your energy or get rid of stiffness and take control of your health without leaving your desk, trust me, you'll want to check out the free gift of coffee in the description. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session, and let's go.